Swimming
not my
pool.
thing.
Ganda
My,
mga
uh,
Yeah, the little
blessing.
pump,
The
yeah.
little pump. So
Sarap
I was
na.
like thinking, if buy
Manalo
big
talaga
one,
to.
Magtulog.
That's nice and quiet.
Magtulog.
That's
Mag-dump
nice and
na
quiet.
dito. Lagyan natin to ng isda. We can put the fish. Let's go grow the fish.
di ba, mahulog yung cellphone mo. Tama lang, di ba?
Yeah, beautiful.
Because if
It's big. It's big.
That's enough size.
Make this.
It's just you and Ariana.
Yeah,
That's
it's
different,
big.
yeah.
Oh my goodness. Really, really good.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I'm
I-
because you have pool.
I thought it's
20.
Yeah, I
small,
want
but it's
one.
really
You know
big.
something?
The swimming
This is
pool.
taller than mine.
Yeah.
I think it
Yes.
it's close. Yeah.
This is my friend. Backyard is beautiful. Right, mga blissy. Summer. Happy summer. Mga blissy. Yan, ganda.
I will show you something.
Happy summer, mga blissy. Love you. Thank you sa mga bagong subscriber. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you. Upsi.